this is Victor and Timmy from Soap Stamps for You. In this video we try to show you the difference between our two edge cutters, and in advance thank you for many of you who already have bought these products, but there are still so many questions open. So we would like to make this video for you to help make your decision which one to choose, which is better for you. So these are the two tools. On the left side, the red one, is the large edge cutting toolkit, and on the right side is the extreme large edge cutting toolkit. And as you see, the extreme word doesn't stand for the length, how long edge it can work with, it's rather the size of the gap, so the extremity of the look it will provide. And now Timmy starts to show you how to really use them. So that's the extreme tool. As you can see, it's quite easy and convenient to use. There's no any specific skills needed. And Timmy goes through the different cutting designs now along the edges. So as you can see, all the three. Now try the normal gap size. Yeah, we can see it well. So you may notice that what Timmy does, she doesn't really cut the whole edge in one go, but we step somewhere in the middle and then she goes against it. With that, some cases you can help not to get so many chips at the end of the edge. It's an even cleaner and nicer cut. So if you make the comparison now, as you can see, in the right hand is the extreme one. It's extreme because it's more visible, it removes more from the soap. But in some cases, for smaller soaps, maybe it doesn't make sense to move such volume. In that case, you need to consider the smaller gap version. So it's completely up to you. Many of you already have both. Thank you very much for watching, and come and see our store on Etsy.